Hey, what are you doing? I try to find my balance. But you're completely insane, my friend. Please go find a psychologist. Because the balance is the secret of life. And the miss of balance means the destruction of life. Hello everybody, T.Dy from I Love Consulting. Today I will talk about the balance between professional and personal life. Everything in life is about balance. So you have the one, you have the A, you have the man, you have the woman, you have the good, you have the evil, you have the professional, you have the personal. In this video we will talk about the personal and the professional life, and is it very important if you want to keep a good health mentally and physically, to have a good balance between your private life and your professional life. Why is it so important to keep this balance? So I will show you some examples. Even if you love your job, even if you're in fond of your job and you really love it, you have to take some break and to keep a good balance between your work and your private activities. Why? Because working too much without a stop, without rest, can be very dangerous for your health, and also it can decrease unconsciously your productivity. It's just like the sportman. Your muscle and your brain have so many activities within a day, and they have to rest, to take a rest in order to strengthen them and to regenerate, and then they can become more effective. Another reason why you have to keep a balance between personal life and working life is because if you work so much, you can take a step back, so you can think about innovation, about how to improve your process and your work, because you can see the big picture. You know, you only see your task, and you continue to perform your task like you did it, without think about innovation, without think about improvement, and perform other activities such as going out with friends, or meet families, or going to the cinema, or doing some sport, help you to have inspiration. Hello, how are you doing? Yeah, what have you done yesterday? Hello, me? Yeah, yesterday I worked until very late yesterday. And you? What have you done? Me? Oh, yesterday I watched a movie, Iron Man. Iron Man was a great movie, and I think that we can take some ideas of this movie for our research department. Iron Man? No, never seen, never heard of it, never heard of it. No. Well, me, I was in front of our web service, you know.
We had the web service we developed, so the web service that we call the AWS web service, and we should take the data from the account table to bring the film apply
in their cluster. Huh? Seems like very interesting. Very interesting, yeah? And moreover, it is proven that human learn easier and faster when he is relaxed. Not having a good balance between private life and working life, it's also dangerous for your mental health. Why? Because if you have many problems in your work, in your job, for example, a bad manager, or a client who is very angry, or some colleagues who are not friendly, all these problems, you can forget all these problems when you go home. You go home at night, when you leave your office in the end of the day, and you go home and you meet your friend and your family. It helps you forget this problem. In opposite, you can also have problems in your personal life. So, for example, you have problems with your friends, or with your family, or with your loved one. So, if you feel very well at work, your job can help you forget your personal problem and focus in your job. If you have personal problem, you go to the work, and you can produce, you can discuss and have some meeting with your colleagues, your clients, and you feel very proud of what you've done at the end of the day, what you produce for your company, and it helps you forget the problem at home. But if you have many problems at work or many problems at home, I don't have solution for you, I think. So please remember that all thing in life is about the good balance. So it's also right for the professional and the private life. You have to keep a right balance a good balance between these two activities, because it can help you keep your productivity at its maximum. If you have 50% personal activities and 50% professional activities, it don't mean that you want to work more. No, it's not true. It only means that it's just like the sportmen. They have to, when they work, when they're doing the sport, perform the sport, they give all the best. So it's the same at work. You have to give all the best you can. So at the end of the day, you have to rest, to allow your muscle and your brain to regenerate and to strengthen for more productivity for the next day. Except if you don't sleep at night and you perform all your personal activities at night without sleep. Some people also want to have more personal activities than professional activities, but it's not good either, because you can encounter difficulties to reach your professional objectives in your mission, in your job. Or maybe you can lose your work and lose your wage, and it's not good. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like the video, put a like, please. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and to share your tips or your feedback in the comments below, and to share this video with your friends, your family, your colleagues. And see you later. Bye bye, and don't forget, keep the balance.